There have been 4 new updates for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, including internal details and hands-on photos. There is a purported hands-on photo of the Z Fold 7 making the rounds online. It shows the phone in silver and seems broader than the Z Fold 6. Since the photograph does not show a hinge, there are questions over the gadget itself. The phone's noticeable width over its predecessor has been confirmed by CAD renderings and leaks from several sources. With a thickness of just 3 mm when unfolded and 9 mm when folded, the Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be the tiniest folding Samsung has ever produced. The lack of the raised plastic bezel, which protects the display when the phone is closed, is the cause of this. There are concerns since the bezel is included in the thickness measurement when it is folded. Samsung replaced the carbon fiber backplate with a titanium one, demonstrating their consideration for the device's longevity. The interior component supporting the hinge and flexible screen is called the backplate. The standard Fold 7 will now feature titanium, which is already used in the Fold Special Edition. Despite the smaller profile, this action ought to support the preservation of structural integrity. The ELEC in South Korea has reported that Samsung is releasing a new S Pen with the Fold 7, which has its own internal components to monitor tip position instead than requiring a digitizer integrated into the display. Users will have to charge it, thus. However, given the S Pen is not dependent on a digitizer, it should also function on the external display, something that Fold users have been requesting since the beginning. But Samsung's practice of repackaging functionality as new the next year is not new. Presumably, the Fold 8 will unlock the S Pen compatibility for the cover screen instead. With a slimmer design, increased durability, and a new S Pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be a major advance over its predecessor. Although its availability with the Fold 8 is uncertain, the S Pen is anticipated to be a noteworthy addition to the gadget. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.